Well, now that we have the plate ready in the workshop, ready to go in, we need to make this ready for receiving the plate. I have already grinded some of the edge, or ground some of the edge over there. I need to grind this edge up here, and we need to clean it on the inside. I think the inside cleaning will do with this sandpaper flap disc. It's going to be exciting to get this to fit because the plate is bending a little bit because the boat is getting wider. So we'll have to weld or at least fasten this end of the plate first, and then we'll have to pull this out to get it to fit onto the hull up here. But yeah, we've done it before, so why not? Well, finally we have the edges ready, so we're finally ready to just put the plate in, and hopefully the slots fit onto the frames. Cross your fingers. They should. I drew them after the frames yesterday, so it should be no problem. But before we try that, I want to finish welding up the small plate, so we're completely ready over here as well. So yeah, let's do that. I forgot my clips. Cross your finger. Cross your finger. I think I still need to grind a little bit. Now the frames, they're spot on. Thank God for that. Here, here and here you can see the frames through the slots. As you can see, the frame is right in there. The frame is right in there. Over here as well, and in there as well. We need to push the plate into the frame over here, but we need to have it out a little bit over here, and we need to, the whole plate is going to be twisted in order to get wider this way, to be narrow in the bottom and wide in the top. So we still need to twist it, but all in all it works really well. I actually think we're there now. We can definitely work with this. I would have to grind off a little more over here. You didn't see it, by the way, because I forgot to turn on the camera again. But we do have little less than 2 millimeters all the way up here. Down here we have a bit more than 2 millimeters, of course. And down here we have, more or less 2 millimeters. So I think we're there. So let's start tagging it in. I'll just have to put a weld somewhere that we can remove again, just to make it stay up there.
Wow.
Yeah, I hit the frames pretty good.
That's good.
I forgot all about grinding this corner.
Oh.
But I had to welded on now, the small one.
Okay.
Down here.
Yeah.
I had to weld it on in order to be able to pull this out now.
Ah, and then weld it.
Yeah, this has to be pulled out to the corner here, so I think I'll need to weld on a pad eye.
Oh yeah.
And then put a winch in it and then adjust it so that I can weld it on the inside, because this looks all wrong. That's because the boat is getting wider.
Oh yeah, of course.
Yeah.
It looks like you're...
Yeah, I really messed up.
Yeah, but you didn't.
No.
I can tell.
But yeah.
Now it's coffee time again.
Coffee time.
Time for coffee.
I'm using my magnets to find the right spot where they're totally straight with each other, the two surfaces. So I'm using my screwdriver to like pry the plate out, and then the magnet to see. It's very clear to see when the two plates are totally straight with each other, because then you have no gaps underneath the magnet. The only thing is that the magnets, they collect all the metal dust.
That's about it for this video. We hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to like and hype the video and subscribe to the channel. If you would like to support us even further, don't hesitate to join the crew as a member on YouTube. Thanks for watching and see you next time.